my second time caving.
Second time. I remember 2 years ago you were here, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Hi, Julie, this is my first time caving.
First time. All right.
Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my first time caving.
First?
Yes.
Ooh, okay. Here we
Hi,
go.
I'm Sienna. This is my first time caving.
Oh boy, a lot of first timers.
Hi, I'm Penny. This is my third time caving.
Third, where else?
I don't know where Sarah was.
Where Sarah went?
Sarah Cruz.
I know
Okay.
that cave.
You know that cave? You
Oh my
been there
goodness.
before? Or you seen it?
No.
No, okay, all
I've seen
right.
videos of it.
Hi, I'm Arabella. This is my 7th time caving.
Seventh.
Yeah.
Seventh.
Yes.
Oh. Where'd you go?
Here, West Virginia, Virginia.
Very, very cool.
I don't know where exactly, but.
Don't know where exactly, okay. But that's good.
Hello, I'm Sophia, and this is my first time caving, and I'm hyped.
You're hyped?
Yeah.
All right, that was like, I'm hyped. Come on, say it again.
I'm hyped.
All right, I got it, got it.
Hi, I'm Hannah. This is my first time caving.
First time. All right, all right.
Hi, I'm Audra. This is my first time caving.
Introduce
Okay.
And this is Kyle.
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 Kyle. Hi, Kyle.
This is also his first time.
Is his first time caving? Okay.
5 minutes ago.
Hi, I'm Sarah again, and this is my 4th time caving again.
Again?
Yeah.
All right, very cool. Again, okay. So we got a lot of newbies.
Wait.
To bring them all back?
Yeah,
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Guys.
We are going to go
Guys,
the first.
We have a group of 5. You can just do group of 6, group of 5.
There we go.
What?
What we're going to
We
do.
won't have enough for like 4.
Penny, Cincy, and I guess you guys are together.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then what?
So who wants to be the other pair with me then?
No. Guys, so you can
Okay.
do 6, and then us 5.
And the reason why I have this clever little thing, the last time I was here, some
Who's Lily with?
knucklehead did not pay attention when I said don't throw things, and he threw his backpack and went down a hole. So I told him I tried to retrieve it, because they couldn't get it. They said they were about a foot short, so bring my handy-dandy thing here, and we'll see if we can find it and retrieve it for him. We are going to go down this crack here.
guys,
We get down a little bit into it, there is a big column in the middle of the passageway. I'm going to go first.
guys, move out of the way.
Guys,
Does everyone have a buddy? Raise your hand if you don't.
Stay with your buddies. I'm going to go first. There's going to be a big column in the middle. We're going to go to the left of that column, and directly after that's a hole about this big around,
guys.
but it has a column in the middle of it. And you have to pick whether left side or the right side you're going to go through. Now, I'm going to go first. You got to wait until I get myself set up so I can take video of you guys climbing through it. It's kind of funny afterwards. I have to say. So we're gonna do that. Just follow me and just hold up.
Guys,
Guys.
figure it out.
Guys, you can't leave someone out. Just figure it out.
Okay, so wait, Hannah, so Lily's gonna be with you guys? Okay, are you okay with that, Lily?
Should we turn off our lights?
No.
We already have a Guys, go. Okay, don't.
I looked at you when you said that.
It's slippery, so be careful.
Spiders?
Slippery.
Oh,
I
slippery.
haven't seen spiders yet. You haven't?
There's a lot of dead spiders. They're actually everywhere. Look at them. All right here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
There's a lot of spiders. It's a lot. Look at those holes. But hopefully no one's scared of spiders because I just saw like 6.
I didn't throw
No, she hit it out of your hand. Or somebody's
I hit
hand.
him.
How do these spiders look like? They're not having a
And then
very
I
good
almost
day.
lost, and then I almost lost him because of that, Arabella.
Yeah, well, we were gonna come down here anyway.
Well, yeah, but we don't know how far he would have gone before he stopped.
No, we just didn't know if we were doing tricks.
Yeah, we didn't know what we were doing.
You could just do 3 doubles.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah, that's
So
smaller
Lily
than I
did
remember.
it, and then those
Maybe
but
you
then
were
we're
small.
basically a
I was smaller. You know what's so weird? The first time we went caving, we did 3 years, and then I went 2 years ago. I went 3 years ago. And then I went 2 years ago. And then I went this summer. And that was like,
maybe you're bigger.
It was farther than I thought, even though we literally just started.
oh no, I remember this. Never mind, that is. That is. There's another one right next to it, which is what I was thinking of.
And I cried.
Why did you cry?
Because I couldn't figure out how to do it, and everyone was like, figure out how to do it. Guys, it was I couldn't figure out how to do it, okay?
We were telling her earlier how there's going to be lines in the cave.
Tried
She's
to
only 61st, so she's not even going to care about the lines, because she should be at the start of it.
Is it on?
Yes, it is.
Shine the light down instead of having it straight.
Yeah, shine it down at your feet.
Stalactites and stalagmites.
How do I do this?
Just crawl up. I don't know.
How did you
Want me to hold you hold this and then pass it to me once I'm up.
just climb through. That's good.
Just crawl through. Try go. What about this way? It's like it's
Guys, it's way too
Oh, that's
small.
tiny.
No one is fitting through.
well, you could crawl.
Guys,
Like you go down there and crawl. I could crawl through it.
How am I supposed to fit through this?
Wait, come on, you gotta turn. You gotta turn. You turn.
The next part.
Oh, the next part's small. Oh, like if I go like that, maybe I can fit. Oh, don't do that. No, I don't think I could.
Someone told me if you see any spiders that I'm about to like grab.
I do, but it's over here.
Oh my god, Sarah.
I don't even see you.
Sienna's gonna slap you
I
there.
got myself in there. It's gonna be a tight spot.
How was that?
Rock in a hard place.
Oh, this is slippery.
yeah, just be careful.
I remember that part. This, I remember this
Just
part.
to where you can stand up, okay?
Just to where you can stand up. Great advice. And then move out of the way.
There we go.
Oh, now I can.
Five. Like a bunch of five.
That was only the best.
Yeah. That's how all the formations are formed.
Okay, guys. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I'll take him, I guess.
Careful, guys.
Make sure you Hey, I don't want to go last. You go last. You have to wait. Don't.
Just to where you can stand up.
Just gonna, yeah. So you guys should stop now.
So I'm like standing.
Get down.
We're taking a photo. Yeah,
Guys, look how pretty this rock like this.
Yes. And can you stand there? No, so get down.
Okay.
Guys, please don't mess around.
Right here, do you want to just
do this?
Look how pretty the rock is. Oh, look at the water.
No, is that? Yeah. Is it wet?
It's wet.
So like that
See the
drop,
drop.
that drop is like where the stalactites in this thing.
Look, they're everywhere.
Yes.
There you go.
They all look so shiny.
Guys,
Good.
some of the rocks are wet.
Guys, I feel like Steve.
They're all wet up here. The rock.
Yeah,
I know, that's what I'm saying. They're like, it's so shiny, it's wet. That's why.
Wait, what?
Some of them are ready to drip.
Good. That's it.
Hannah, I feel like Steve.
Is this your mom?
I'm watching your mom.
All right.
Your mom more than you did.
no. We struggled the same amount.
She didn't struggle that much.
Watch your hand.
It's so muddy. Sorry, Walker. Hands are gonna get muddy. I didn't touch you either. Guys, always have hands like somebody using I didn't touch you.
Hey. Get down in there.
Get down.
Guys,
But we've been 5 points of
All right, can I get down in here?
Can we stop saying that, please?
That phrase is banned from this cave.
But you need some cheer. You guys
It's up to
have
Kyle. Does Kyle agree to that? Where's Kyle?
Yes,
All right.
Kyle agrees to ban those two numbers.
Yes, Kyle agrees to banning it.
Only if you really want to.
Kyle has banned that those. Guys, what about since Kyle's like 5 years old?
Yes.
What?
What about sis six? Band of numbers.
What about sis?
Oh my
What?
I did. It's like 5 when you say that about
Those two numbers in any language is banned.
What if I say it in a language you don't know?
It's still banned.
There. That's what I did.
Nick says, Evan says.
like counting friends.
Oh, guys.
You're just a baby. You're just a baby.
Where's my mom?
Yeah.
Who is that? Judy, is that you? Can you grab a Kyle?
Yeah. Hey guys. Wait, can I have Kyle?
Yeah.
Would it be better if I Kyle? It would be better if it's only if
Spanish.
it would be better. Yeah. We should take a Sarah picture. Don't you agree, Sarah?
That's there.
Here, you got that,
Guys, put your things down. Put your
Do
things
you have one?
down.
Just try them all.
Right here on the helmet, I don't want to do that. I think you're good.
Guys.
Is that better? Is that? Is it too loose?
Guys, it's the primary colors.
Oh my god.
And green. Oh wait, never mind.
Green's not a primary color. It's a secondary.
No, that's what they're called, secondary.
Yeah, secondary and intermediate something. I don't remember. I don't
That's okay, that's what I'm
remember.
here
I
for.
just learned this last class. How am I supposed to remember?
This is like I found the spot. Yeah.
Wait to hear my mother.
I'm just gonna count noses every now and then. Just make sure everyone's here.
Wait.
Noses.
Oh, thank you. Not my mother.
Oh
I saw you
man.
down.
This is alright.
Your mother.
Get some nice like cake
You
drippings.
know, I just like
Oh, it's bright.
Can you
Sarah,
find it? Yo, let me see it. Wait,
Guys, no, there's no throwing.
Don't throw Kyle.
And don't throw things in the cave.
guys.
Oh yeah, never mind.
2, 1. There you go.
Why does Sarah say anything in the photo? Sarah,
2, 1.
you look so angry.
I'm going to take care of that.
You can't see the photos. This is really
Look how cool this looks, bro. No. I wasn't.
Okay.
I would have done last time.
Hi.
Why don't we,
Can you guys pick?
I have to do a battery change real quick. I thought I checked everything. I missed one. So, while we're doing that,
You know, Sarah, this is my favorite ride of
we're
Disney.
going to just talk a little bit
Sarah,
about
this
this.
is my favorite ride at Disney.
Yeah, it's my favorite ride. This one.
Hold on.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Be patient, Sarah.
Everyone.
I'm glad that you're excited. 'Cause once we get up there, and we'll be able to explore.
Judy, I'm scared for you.
I'm being back here. Remember which way? You go down. Oh, I remember. We went down that way. Over to Sarah. Wait, there's a passageway. There's a passageway down there. Everyone's going. Sarah, there's that passageway. You can go down there.
Okay.
Guys,
In this room.
Guys,
I'll
can
do
we
your
lower?
lightest on.
I know.
You want
In this room,
Guys, can we keep our
there
voices down,
is
please?
several passages, okay? The one is the one we came in, okay? And that was pretty straightforward, wasn't it? We didn't have to do too much with that. Okay, I want to make sure I got the right, I'm changing the right here.
Has anybody touched Kyle's? Kyle's right there. Yes. Has everybody's face there, but you don't press.
Yeah.
If you don't, please don't get to touch Kyle.
I can't find the button.
Okay, from this.
How are they supposed to do rings? Do you think they can't handle it?
Sarah, did you go through? I don't think mine goes through. Ready? I can't tell how big it is.
Don't throw Kyle. No.
Remember, guys,
no
no
throwing.
in a cave.
It was not me. What do you mean? No, sorry. It wasn't only me. So the reason was over there is because Judy thinks
It doesn't matter.
Hannah, where are you?
Guys,
It
it doesn't matter.
matter if you
right there.
weren't the
But
only
you're, like,
one.
holding something.
It's
Just don't do it.
still, you shouldn't do it.
Let's go say hi.
It doesn't matter if someone else did it.
I feel like
It
it
doesn't
was
make it doesn't make it right that they did it, but still, you
The
shouldn't do it.
seesaws were so like,
it's right there.
they were scarier than normal
What
seesaws.
are those? Batteries because Lily's thing is out of
Thank you.
Lily, you having a good time?
Okay. All right, where was I? Okay,
Be careful.
we're in this, this is the first room.
We are?
Yes.
How many rooms are there?
Can you put that on?
like this.
Oh,
Is
boy.
there seven? We say seven rooms.
The bed.
It's bed.
Guys, I guess
That's
we
all
banned
right.
that.
Oh, you have it still? Okay. Okay. Oh,
6, 7.
I'm gonna have to adjust that back.
So we're just there. 6, 7.
And I guess we just have to go like this the whole entire time.
No.
No,
That
that's
is
also banned.
But I didn't say it. I didn't say anything.
Yeah,
It's
no,
still
but
banned.
it's in
I have freedom of
relation.
So this is banned.
Not in the cave.
Yes,
Yes, I do. This is still America.
guys, I want
There's
2 hours without those 2 words and motion.
2 hours without editing.
Guys, if we can get through the 2 hours in this cave
2
without
hours
doing
without braid rot, okay?
this, please.
No, it's not brain rot. It's
It-
a number actually. Right here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7 is just a number.
Why am I arguing? Because I know I'm not winning.
Arabella.
Oh, yeah, there's like 5 middle schoolers in here.
We went down there and then climbed
What's
up
in there?
there.
Water.
Guys, keep in mind, I'm the oldest one out of all of you guys.
Oh no, that's
Really?
further down.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's literally
I thought it was Sarah.
Baby.
Okay, now,
Eva's gonna love seeing these photos.
I,
Oh yeah, I remember her showing
I'm
me a
back,
picture
I'm
of
back to
her.
where I am.
Yeah. I have.
Yeah. This room,
Eva's not gonna fight anyone.
Eva doesn't own any guns, Sarah.
Well, she owns a rifle.
I thought
Yeah,
that
her rifle's fake. It is a fake rifle. Yeah.
okay,
Who's a laser there?
this is the passageway we came in. See, now you see all this pretty flowstone and this stuff here?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what